Hello everyone, welcome to Addy Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty analysis for 14 December, Tuesday, and a trade review of what happened today. What I have opened here is the 15 minutes chart of Banknifty. See, these are the levels that we had marked over the weekend in my analysis video and in Instagram I had posted, right? So I'll be using pretty much the same levels. See, today initially we got a pretty good up move. I'm just going to shift to a 5-minute chart. And all our trades is posted here, the trades that I took, the profit and the trades on Instagram. And also I have a video of how I made profit in the morning, 9.5k. You can go have a check on that. Now coming to the trade. So once I was done with the morning trade, right, we kind of had this triangle pattern. Let me just expand this. This is the 5-minute chart of Banknifty. We kind of had this triangle pattern. So I was kind of hoping that it might break on the upside or break on the downside. Honestly, I didn't expect such a big move on the downside. I did expect that probably this gap will hold. We might dip until 37,289, or maybe this gap will get filled for the day and will stop here. And we slipped even further than that, broke 37,000 and came until 36,800, which is a strong support, right? See, even previously we have taken support here, pretty much the same place we have taken support. So this is what happened, and I think this is based on the news. I just saw a WhatsApp forward that somebody from South Africa told the Omicron variant will spread rapidly. So probably this was a news-based move. That's why we got such a big fall, and I didn't capture the entire fall. If you can see my trade here, it's only the half of this fall I captured until somewhere around 37,200. This is where I exited based on R1 or the CPR level. But there's nothing we can do if we miss the rest of the month. At least we got something. Now coming for the trade possibility for tomorrow. Okay, on this 15-minute chart, I just want to expand, or I'll just shift to the 15-minute chart again. See, if this news, whatever news that came out because of the Omicron, it happens to be true, in that case, to slip further, we will have to break this level, this green zone that I marked of 36,824. See, previously also we took a good support here. Again, today we have taken a support here. If this breaks, we could come until 36,500. And if this news, whatever came out, happens to be true, we could also fill this gap and go until 37,700. Even this is a possibility. And if this move was just a news based, and if we are going to recover, we might recover from this level and head until 37,200 and probably even 37,500. All these levels will act as a good resistance in case we go up. Now just coming to this chart where I have the daily, weekly CPR added and the monthly CPR. See, even the fall that we had today, so the moment we started falling, first I thought we'll fall until the CPR. Even the CPR broke and we took support at the weekly CPR. These three dotted lines, the orange, purple and the orange, what you see is nothing but the weekly CPR. So we have taken support here. In case tomorrow, if this happens to be not so great bearish news and we reverse, there is a possibility we might touch this weekly pivot and then start moving up. That is a possibility. And in case a down move can come if, say, wherever we open gap up or gap down, we might touch any of the CPR levels and then start reversing on the downside. That is also a possibility. And since we have a wide CPR for tomorrow, there is a chance we might remain choppy, and that choppiness can be either between this weekly CPR or it can be between the daily CPR also. So the best thing to do is see if we can catch a morning move either up or down, or then wait for the entire market to happen, like probably until 12 or 1, and then see if where the big moves are coming on the upside or downside, and then take a trade. Now just looking at the open interest for Banknifty, see, we have good number of call sellers that have been added today. The change in OI for the call side is more, and even in 37,000 calls have been added. So that's a sign showing that the market could fall. If it falls, we might fall until 36,500 and take a good support there, because there are hardly any call sellers here. It's only the put sellers that have come in. So that is for Banknifty. And if we start moving up, again we'll take resistance at 37,500, because we have good number of call sellers, and this candle you can see it's huge. Now coming to Nifty, just going to turn off the CPI. Even Nifty traded beautifully from R3, R2, we started getting reversal. See, in the morning, the other thing that convinced me to book profit is Nifty was not bullish. Even though Banknifty was going up, Nifty didn't go above this first 15-minute candle. The high of 17,639 didn't break. Then this news-based fall came. And we have taken support here. So again in Nifty, if this level goes right tomorrow, we could probably fill this gap of 17,250. In case we start reversing, the first resistance I see is all the CPR levels along with this major trend line that we are seeing, that is at 17,539. Why? Because previously we have taken resistance here. So after this fall, today morning when we were falling, I thought we were going to take a strong support here, but even that broke and we fell. And if we reverse, we might take resistance at this line. Let me just see the Nifty fall that we had today is about 250 points. Okay, so if we break this, we might fill this gap, and an intraday move might come. After filling this gap, we might reverse before we go down further. So in case this gap gets filled, right, it's a good place to book profit. That is 37,250. And on a single candle, like how we broke down in the morning, if we break, yeah, then we can sit until 17,150 also in Nifty. Now looking at the open interest for Nifty, see again in Nifty we have huge call sellers that have come in. The market is looking bearish, but this can change tomorrow if the news happens to be wrong, or if the Indian government says that is no reason to worry. A lot of short covering can come in. The good resistance is coming in at 17,500, and a good support is only coming in at 17,100, and here a lot of put unwinding has happened. Probably 17,200 or 17,100 even. See, the put sellers at 17,200 have gotten out today. You see this candle change in OI has dipped. Here they have been added, like put sellers have come in here, they have dipped. So we could see a fall until 17,100 or even 17,000 tomorrow if we start falling. So this is a trade plan for Nifty and Banknifty, and please go check out my channel. I have a good video on CPR logic for intraday trading, and I have a video on how I made my 9k profit. Though I added some more profit in the end, but that was later on. I did add about like 21 or something. It's all there on Instagram. So that's it for today, and hope tomorrow everybody have a good trading day. Thank you.